I have bought this pulse oximeter from Flipkart for mere 1200 rupees. Let's open it. There is bill inside and nothing else except the pulse oximeter. Okay, let's open the pulse oximeter box. It is a unbranded oximeter, a Chinese one. Let's open it. A one wrist strap with the pulse oximeter, one user manual, nothing else. Let's switch on the pulse oximeter. Something written in Chinese. Let's switch on the pulse oximeter. Let's check the battery. Oh, there is no battery inside. It came without battery. Let's put some AAA battery inside. 2 numbers of AAA battery I have to put. Okay, now let's switch on. Yeah, it is switching on. Some reading, again off. Switching on. It rotates. Let's put the finger. It is made like this, I guess, so that a bigger finger can be put inside. It is flexible. It is spring. Yeah, it's showing result. 92% of oxygenless saturation, 96, 97, 98, and 98% of oxygen saturation, and 74 heartbeat rate. Pulse rate is 76, 98. Let's compare it with my Huawei Honor Band 5. Huawei Honor Band 5 don't come with pulse oximeter out of the box. You have to update the firmware. I will talk about it in another video. And my Honor Band 5 is working and it is showing 95%. Since I have hair on my hand, it shows some lower number of reading, and if I put the wristband for long time, then it gives fair result, otherwise it gives some lower result. It is showing 97% and it's gone. I have to tighten the strap. It works only with tight strap, otherwise if you put it loose, it won't work. Pulse oximeter is showing 98% with 84 bit rate, and my Huawei Honor Band 5 is working. It takes some time for the Band 5 to give the result. It actually compute it, I guess, inside. It is 97% in Huawei Honor Band 5 and 98% in the pulse oximeter. So I guess pulse oximeter is working fine, as I can trust with the Honor Band 5. Yeah, it is showing 96%. I have to tighten the strap, I guess. Let's put the pulse oximeter on the right hand finger, and let's check it again. It is showing 98% again, and my Band 5 is working. It's showing 100%. Okay, let's 98%, 98%, 98%, 97%, 97%, 97%, 97%, 97%. Yeah, it gives 97% final result, and my pulse oximeter so 98%. Let's check the heartbeat. Compare the heartbeat from Honor Band 5 and the pulse oximeter. Both are showing band 5 showing 79, pulse oximeter 87, band 5 again 84, 86, both 86, and 86 88, 87 89, 88 87. I guess both are doing fairly well, and final result is 86 from the band 5 and fluctuating result from the on-time result from pulse oximeter. Let's put some pencil inside the pulse oximeter and let's check it, as some video makers in YouTube and in media, some hoax is coming that even with a pencil it gives some result. Chinese pulse oximeters gives a result with pencil also, but there is no result. There is nothing coming out, no reading. So pulse oximeter is giving no reading. But when you keep out the pencil, it's showing finger out. Means you can fool the pulse oximeter by putting a pencil that finger is inside. Let's check it with a battery. Battery is a little bigger and it is almost equivalent to the finger of our hand, but there is no result, no heartbeat. So pulse oximeter is yes, finger out. So pulse oximeter is good, it's working and it's fine. Let's do some heavy test with pencil and paper or something like that. Let's test the pulse oximeter with paper. I will put the paper coming with the pulse oximeter itself. Let's check with paper, because paper is a little transparent like our fingers. It may give some reading, but no, it is finger out. So you are not fooling it with paper, plain paper. It is not being fooled. No reading. So it's giving some pulse and reading. No pulse. Let's cut some white paper and let's put it in the pulse oximeter and let's see. Fold the white paper and wrap it around my finger and putting it in the pulse oximeter, and let's check if it gives some reading. No reading. Yeah, reading is coming, 98%, and pulse rate is 69. Since paper is semi-transparent, the light come out of the paper and gives a result. Yeah, it is the previous result. And if you hold the pulse oximeter tightly with your finger, some pulse rate is coming, as your finger is a little shaking, and pulse is coming from your finger, I guess, due to vibration of your finger. But no result with paper, and finger out warning is showing when you keep out the paper. And let's again put it and check. No result is coming. So it is fairly accurate pulse oximeter, I believe. When you hold it tightly, it due to vibration of your finger from your pulse rate, I guess it is sensing when you hold it tightly. Only when you hold it tightly, otherwise no. Only hold it tightly over the sensor, I guess. And there is no pulse rate and no reading. The reading you are seeing is the previous reading which is stored. Now if you touch the paper approximate of heart rate, and it's showing some result, but it is just fooling the sensor by manipulating it, and this is not some fake pulse oximeter, and this is just manipulation, and it will obviously happen as the sensor sense the oxygen saturation level through refraction of light from the finger, and when you put the white paper, it also refract light due to semi-transparency nature of the paper, and when you put the fingers tapping the white paper through fingers, it is fooled that it is pulse rate. Okay, thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, and keep watching. Thank you.